to use the voice recognition assistant.
It's beginning to look like Christmas.
In Norway, we like to eat a lot of gingerbread cookies during Christmas, and we tend to keep them in these metal tin boxes that neither opens or closes without a fight. That's one of many reasons I invented the cookie launcher. It's simply a game changer for the cookie business, and I expect the big cookie companies to call me at any time now to close a deal.
Hello?
Are you the maker of that cookie launcher?
Yes, that's me.
Well, that's the most stupid invention I ever seen. Get a life. Anyway, this beast holds 39 cookies in the magazine and one in the chamber. It's capable of firing stunningly 0.1 cookie per second, which means it will feed your entire Christmas party in just several minutes. I used two of these fantastic N20 motors, one for stretching the rubber bands and the other one to turn the magazine. The motors are driven by a small motor driver, mated with a microcontroller with the optical and position sensors as inputs. These tin spikes passes the optical and stop sensor, giving a signal to the microcontroller to stop the rotation. I used this printed dummy cookie for my initial testing, but once the real cookies arrived, I realized they have way more friction and sometimes got stuck in the magazine. I printed some brackets to fill in the gaps, and the filling mechanism now works perfectly. I made a hatch for the box cover, and finally it was time for testing it all together. Okay, this is the very first cookie. Nice. As you might have noticed, this machine also includes a voice recognition feature.
You're welcome to use the voice recognition assistant.
And my initial plan was to have it voice controlled only. So I purchased the Gravity voice module from DF Robot. It works straight out of the box and is simple to integrate using I2C bus to the microcontroller. It comes with a predefined wake word and a list of commands, but in addition you may learn it your own custom wake and command words. So I jumped into it and had a great time learning my Norwegian words to the lady inside.
Learning command word.
Learning now. Be quiet. Please learn the command word according to the prompt. Please say the first command to be learned.
Skyt pepperkake.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Lad ny kake.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Lag ny pepperkake.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
I want to delete.
Okay, got it. Okay. Done. Doing it. Okay, got it.
Skyt pepperkake.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Skyt pepperkake.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
However, it seems this module has a firmware bug. The custom words work well the first minutes, but after some time it fails to recognize the words. The predefined words seems to still work fine, but it takes away a bit of the beauty to say "Hello robot" to get a cookie. Exit learning.
Okay, the learning mode is exited.
God jul! At the moment I keep the cookie launcher at work and look forward to use it in the upcoming Christmas parties. Thanks for watching. God jul!